In today's video, I'll show you how to create a messaging service in Twilio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Twilio tips. Log into your Twilio console and head to the messaging section. Click on Services and then select Create Messaging Service. Give your service a clear name like Order Notifications so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose a use case such as Notify My Users. This applies the right defaults automatically. Now, add your senders. Open the sender pool, click Add Senders and pick what works for you. Most people add a Twilio phone number, but you can also use a WhatsApp number, alphanumeric ID, or shortcode if needed. After that, configure your settings. Set up opt-out keywords, enable sticky sender for consistency, and adjust advanced options like geo-matching if you're sending high volume messages. Finally, link a number. Go to phone numbers, then manage, then active numbers. Open your number, scroll to messaging service and select the one you just created. Save it and you're done. Your Twilio messaging service is now ready to go. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Twilio guides.